Okay, welcome back. So I just wanted to introduce you guys to Aurora. This is my first time riding him after the holidays. So Aurora, his full name is Aurora Storm. He's obviously a gelding. Um, he did do racing. He's an off-the-track thoroughbred, but he's been out of the racing industry for a while now. I think he's been out for about 3, 4 years now. He's six, I think he's six, and he's somewhere around the 16 something hands. And he's honestly so good. I am riding him to get used to bigger horses because Bug is a very small horse, not a pony, just a horse. But Aurora is, I think, in the 16 something hands, and I'm riding him to get used to the bigger horses because I'm struggling to sit the flyers and he's not so comfortable with the short strides. So, and it's good for me to sit them. They had a little stop because I was too close. But I'm also learning to work my bigger strides. So, with bigger horses, their strides are quite big. They're normal horses like Bug. He is quite small, Bug though. But yeah, this is Aurora. Hope you guys approve of him. I really love him and I can't wait to see what's our future together. Okay, so here me and Aurora had a little miscommunication. I thought he's gonna stop, but he decided to stop and then go, and I flew it over, lost my balance, but I gained it, and I'm super happy that I didn't fall. We took a nice big flyer, but I at least got my balance back. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like Aurora.